Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back with another seafood boil. But before we get started, I need you to give me a big thumbs up, comment down below, share my video, and put them post notification bells on. That way you'll be notified every time I post a video. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Consider subscribing before you leave. Alright y'all, let's get right into this. And what I have here today, which I prepared all this myself, I have some snow crab legs, sausage, eggs, corn, and potatoes. And just to let everybody know, I did bless my food off camera. And this is the sauce that I have. I made this sauce myself. And just to let everybody know, I did bless my food off camera. I want to thank everybody for watching my last video. Thank you for all the new subscribers to my channel. Thank you for everybody that's returning. I really appreciate all the love and support. Thank you for all the nice comments. I appreciate everybody. All right, let's get right into this. My first bite, it's gonna be one of these eggs. Hope all y'all out there having a good day. My day is going pretty good. Want to hop on camera and say hi to everybody. I do be missing y'all. Yeah, I had to whip me some sauce up today myself. I haven't made my own sauce in a while. And it's really, really good. I got all my favorite seasonings in there. Some onions, some garlic. I cooked it earlier today. That way it can sit for a little while. So what y'all been up to in this hot summer weather? Well, I know I've been trying to stay cool. Trying to enjoy my life the best way I can. This year going by pretty fast. I can't say too fast. Some Hawaiian punch. I don't know if that's a good or bad thing when time be going so fast. It shows that you've been extra busy and productive. What I've been actually up to this last recent week, I actually got my second vaccine, which I wasn't really going to talk about it at first. I got my first one about a month ago. The second experience was a little better than the first one. I'll talk about that a little more in a minute once I do a little eating. For some people, it's been kind of a sensitive topic to talk about. And I feel like it's everybody's choice whether you want to get it or not. It's pretty much based on you and how you feel about it. At first, I was thinking that I didn't want to get it because it was too soon, which I kind of still think it is. Too soon to see the exact results. But sometimes you'll never know unless you get it or try it. Just to see what's going to happen. Yeah, it's everybody's own personal choice. I've been hearing a lot of good things. I've been hearing some bad things. Honestly, mostly bad. But it's all right. I'll be trying to keep things on the positive side of it. And plus, by me having kids, I want to be like the first, like the example. I wouldn't let them go and get it if I haven't got it already. I'm still wearing my mask. I'm gonna still be extra safe whether I got it or not. I put a little 2 times spicy up, and there's a little spicy. It had to remind me that fast. That 2 times spicy brings it to another level. It's good. Something about that flavor. I had a lot of people around me not really believing that the virus is real. A lot of people not really protecting themselves, wearing their masks. It had me feeling kind of extra uncomfortable with anxiety. That's one of the reasons I ended up deciding to get it. I've seen firsthand people get sick from it. Which I ain't gonna talk about too much in this video because I don't want to seem like it's negative. I just wanted to talk a little about it. Corn be hitting the spot. What's your favorite part of the seafood boil? I'm gonna say I know the crab be good, but this corn sometimes be my favorite part. I think my least favorite part is the messiness. But when I got the first vaccine, I did experience side effects. It was pretty much like fatigue. I had a headache. I was extra tired for like the first 3 or 4 days. My mood was kind of definitely off. I felt a little feverish. But I made sure I was getting a lot of rest, drinking a lot of water, and make sure I was eating. I didn't really leave the house at all. The second vaccine, the day after, I was just feeling like a little body aches, drained, a little tired. That's about it. I kind of had a feeling what to expect with the second one, but it wasn't a bad experience. Yeah, it's July now, so it's cancer season, so happy birthday to all the cancers. My mom was a Cancer, July 5th. Y'all some summer babies. I think that's one of the best times to have a birthday is during the summertime. Get to have all them good parties. You don't barely look like I put a dent in this. I didn't realize I made as much. I'm definitely gonna have me some good leftovers. Punch be extra good. It's one of my favorite drinks. It's kind of quiet around here. The girls been going to my oldest daughter, Tajanique's house. So it'll be kind of quiet when the girls not here. Which is not saying in a bad way. Because usually when they hear like the babies be here. So it'll be a lot going on. And I'll be happy they get away from the house. Well, they be happy they get away from the house too. They like to do their girls thing. They like to be over there swimming. Ordering food. Things like that. The boys be doing their own thing. They be on the game most of the time. So they be pretty quiet on that game. Or all playing basketball or with their friends. And I just be to myself happy, minding my business. Even though I'll be missing them when they gone, but I'll be trying to appreciate the quiet time and the me time. I like sausage, but I don't eat too much of it. Sometimes it be on the saltier side. Yeah, and if you're new to my channel and you made it this far in this video, why don't you go ahead and subscribe and put that notification bell on. That way you'll be notified every time I post a video. Also, check out my playlist. If you can, check out my community tab. I have some good channels on it. Check out some of the different channels. Some good content creators all up through there. How many of y'all with some homebodies? Drop down in the comments if you a homebody. Or drop down in the comments if you don't like to stay in the house. See me? I'm a homebody. I don't really like hanging out too much. I think I did enough of that when I was younger. So I kind of enjoy being in the house to myself more. And plus to me, it's like way more peaceful. Less drama and stuff like that. It gives me time to think and figure a lot of stuff out. This is gonna be my last cluster. This is a good one. The last time I did a seafood boil, after I was up for a little while, I was right back hungry. And I was like, I sat there and ate all that food, only to end up hungry again. This one I don't want to act right. Take this one. Alright, y'all, I'm about to end this video. If you like this video, give me a big thumbs up, comment down below, share my video, and put them post notification bells on. That way you'll be notified every time I post a video. And if you're new to my channel, subscribe. Alright, y'all, stay blessed and not stressed. Thank you for watching. Bye.